Nice looking 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe half-ton LT 4x4. A little history on this vehicle: spent the majority of its life in Colorado and western South Dakota. Clean Carfax, that does confirm that. No accidents indicated. Original miles. And in great shape. And I'm going to hit some of the things as we go around this and show you. Another great thing about this vehicle, it has less than 2,000 miles on a new crate 5.7 liter Vortec V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. And there is receipts in that also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, I'll tell you some of the pictures to look at also. But check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a look at the bright work. Grill, front bumper, you can see extremely nice shape. You can look down that vehicle, you can tell it's not had body work done to it. Original paint. I want to show you something on this when I say Colorado and western South Dakota vehicle. Take a look, and you can see this in the pictures also. I want you to take a look underneath these doors. Incredibly clean vehicle. Odometer shows 136,000 on it, and again, that is original miles. By looking at this vehicle, you'd never guess it has that kind of miles. A lot of life left in this one. It has OEM takeoff, Chevrolet wheels. Tires have less than 2,000 miles on them. You can get in this one and go, not be afraid to go anywhere on it. Power seats, both sides. Take a look at the condition of this interior. WeatherTech floor mats, carpeting, seats. Yeah, it shows a little bit of wear getting in and out, but overall, extremely nice. Dash is not cracked, faded. Tell this car was stored indoors. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Barn doors in the back, which is a bonus to a lot of people. Don't see the barn doors in all of these. And again, take a look up and down the driver's side of this. Look at how straight this is. Condition of the running boards. Just look around the wheel wells. You do not see bubbling. Don't see that it's been repaired. Bunch of Bondo, anything like that. In the still pictures, look at the underside of all the doors. Look at the underside of this vehicle. You can see what I'm talking about. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Something else to take a look at. Look at how many times do you see these scraped up, scratched up? Rear bumper, everything like new. Receiver hitch. Trailer wiring, all set to go. Also, when the engine was put in, the 5.7 Vortec crate, remember, it did have the updated Delphi injection spider, so it's got the updated GM injection system to it. So it's going to be more responsive, a little more power. Let's go ahead and take a look at these lower doors. You'll see what I'm saying. I mean, it's just, talk about free of chips, dings, scratches. You don't have rust or blistering starting to come back through there. You might find a little small, real tiny touch up here or there, if you can even see that. But I'm being very fussy to try to find something like that on here. Take a look at the second row seat. Also in nice shape. Great color combination with the white, neutral interior. Headliner. This one will not disappoint, folks. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. I want to show you this engine bay and this interior also. So power windows, locks, mirrors, those are all in working order. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at this seat. Again, showing very little wear, but just a nice natural wear to the leather like you're going to have with a good quality leather seat. Go ahead and start this up. Let me get in here. A little tough to reach. All right, here we go. All right. Stereo works. 136 is when the engine was put in. Right now is 138,812. That is actual correct miles. As you can hear, radio does work. You have AM, FM, cassette, CD player. Close that door so you don't have to hear the beep. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. Just the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. And again, AC blows cold. Check out the dash. Great shape. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. Just the way you'd expect it to sound if it was brand new. All right, let's slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second. Let me show you the engine bay, how nice and tidy that is, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I think we know how this is going to look, judging by the exterior and interior of this vehicle. Very stock looking, and again, basically about 3,000 miles on the engine, and it was a crate. There's receipts on it. 5.7 liter Vortec. Got an updated injection spider. 4x4, all working on this. See and hear how smooth that runs. 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe LT 4x4. Western vehicle, came out of Colorado, western South Dakota, so this one is solid. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.